welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Carla, your baby girl, Nana's Iceland. And of course, for today's video, I just want to share that iPhone. And we're having a iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is the first time that I'm gonna have a very expensive phone because it costs almost 100,000 pesos. So it's like buying a new car. Oh my god. Right? So right, very painful. It's very painful, but okay, so it's very painful from the packet, but yeah, I believe it's gonna be worth it. Why? Because of course I can use this one for vlogging in the future and also a lot of things, you know, some photos, for family pictures, and also to have good memories with my husband. So this iPhone is sponsored by Ivar Anton Johansson, so my husband. So he bought this one for me. Just so you know guys, okay? He bought this one for me. And it's not from my own packet, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, so let's open this one. Unboxing, so we're gonna call this a series. Unboxing iPhone 15. So yeah, let's do for the thumbnail. Okay, so buksan na natin mga tao. Pa-English pa tayo, no? So, of course, oh my god, ASMR muna natin siya. Diba? Charis! So, ito yung pinaka-latest na iPhone ever. Pinaka-latest na iPhone ngayon, which is iPhone 15 Pro Max. I was gonna buy iPhone 15 Pro, but ano lang, kunti lang yung diferensya. So I just decided na ito na lang kunin ko, so diba? So buksan na natin siya. Tingnan pa natin yung buksan. OMG. So ayan, upo tayo ng matiwasay. So ayan. Satisfying that. Can you hear that, guys? Can you hear that? Oh yes, I can hear it. The other one. Oh, diba? So, yan na. First ever iPhone. OMG, ang cute ng mga die. Tingnan nyo. Ito ang kanyang look. Diba? Silver. Napakaganda. I was gonna get white, pero sold out yung white, so out of stock sila. And the choices are the black and this one, so I chose this one because I believe black is very common. So this is our new iPhone Pro Max. Oh my god, so excited akong gamitin siya. And we're gonna open it. Oh my god, di ba? Ang cute ng design niya. It's like bumalik sila sa dating version niya. Kasi before, iPhone 8, iPhone something is manipis. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na. So, ayun gusto ko lang i-share kung ano yung mga natatanggap nating blessing sa ating sarili. So, ayun, nagkakalaga to ng 100,000 guys sa Pilipinas. So, diba? Pwede natin tigsan na. Diba?
Okay, everyone, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Carla, your baby girl, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And this is Carla, ang nanagsasabing, always remember to be kind. Adios mga tao. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah, mwah.